This is one of the worst editing trends on TikTok because it creates lies leading to confusion. I'm talking about 4K and 120 FPS edits which are actually 1080p at 60 FPS. Visually, they look ugly because the clips are oversaturated, over-sharpened, and overexposed. The smooth motion comes from frame interpolation which generates extra frames, though it's a little more complex than that, but this takes a clip from 24 frames per second, for example, up to an absurd amount like 120, all for the sake of a TikTok edit. 4K resolution is 4 times the pixels of 1080p, so imagine you've got a 4K display next to them, add up the total amount of pixels that these 1080p displays have, and you've got this 4K display here. If you've got an image or video at 4K resolution, you'd be able to view it on a 4K display, obviously. How about a 1080p display? Well, yes, but it gets downscaled because it's so large, meaning all the extra detail isn't viewable unless the display is at a higher resolution, like 4K. In short, you cannot see anything in its original 4K resolution if the display is limited to something like 1080p. Now, what if you upload a 4K edit onto platforms like Instagram and TikTok? Well, these get compressed down to 1080p, so it's a waste of time to bother uploading above 1080p. However, YouTube works differently. You can indeed post up to 8K resolution, shorts included because they work the same way as regular videos, meaning you can upload 4K edits, although you need to upscale your clips or edit, export using the correct encoder settings, and pray that your viewers are wealthy enough to afford 4K displays on their phone. Frame rate and hertz on the other hand, well, let's be honest, 120Hz displays still aren't as common as they seem to be. I mean, even if they were, it's no good because you're scrolling through TikTok, YouTube, and Instagram. No major platform supports videos higher than 60 frames per second, yet people fall for it because it's a placebo. They all collectively share the same mindset. If everyone says it, it must be true.